Hey, welcome back to the shop. Today we got a 22 Dodge Ram Limited. Was you recording in?
No, I missed it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the shop. You could see we were having a little fun there in our intro. Anyway, we will be putting this truck back together. We'll be trying to salvage pieces from the parts that were damaged and put them on the new parts and get this truck built back together and get it down the road. Philip does have a helper today, so you may hear some stories that don't align with what we're doing here. I do apologize about that, but I did have to keep the scenes going so you'll know what's going on in the video.
Right there underneath that. There's a wiring harness here somewhere. That thing is it's bolted to the frame also. So I gotta get those off. I think I got all the wires undone. Those are 13s on a ratchet wrench, or a ratchet, I mean.
Hey, where is your ratchet pin? Must be.
It's either laying on the...
It's already on there. Yeah.
That thing's crazy. Now we got that one can't get to.
Yeah, not gonna happen.
I see which one you're having to get to.
Yeah. Your side, I think, is open more than mine.
Yeah, it's still really doesn't have much room.
There you go. See if you can break it loose where I can get on it with the ratchet.
Got it?
Get in there with that thing.
Good God. That thing's tight.
It's in a bind.
Well, it shouldn't be because I got that side loose over there. It's just tight. They're just really tight. And probably get to them a lot better if all this wasn't bent in. Hopefully I got everything undone. There's a lot.
Yeah.
outside here. Just kick it back like that. Lay it there.
You remember how simple just a 95 Ford pickup front end was? How simple it was.
Yeah.
Away.
Well, it's just meat and flesh, and it goes in and away from it. And
Never hit a deer, but I've hit other things that move.
that's about the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah.
That's worthless to me. Won't that come out of there?
Pick that up, maybe you can roll around.
That was a little tight.
Yeah.
That side's loose. Can you get to yours?
I got it.
Oh, Lordy. Set that thing up there on top of that flat thing up there.
I missed that. What was it?
It's broke.
You don't work your helper too hard. It's got to take a break.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't. I tire real quick.
Yeah.
Sit down and get my breath
Okay, we're going to get the clamp loose so we can take the hose off. There it goes. Start to leak. Ooh, it's shooting out. Our bucket's catching it. I'm gonna go around. end of it. That's the second one. I'll try again.
Get this off right here.
Okay, you need to unplug the fans so we can take those off.
This right here. I wouldn't.
I'm getting back. I don't know what's going to happen here.
We just undid the oil cooler lines. This line right here up is an oil cooler, and there down it's a condenser, AC condenser.
That's why I was having that little bit of oil drip off of there.
You know where those rubber caps are? Sure. We'll cap these lines off to keep the dirt and trash out of them. Leaking. I don't know why they turned that motor in.
Because they wanted to make it difficult.
Yeah, I hear you. Unhooking the condenser lines. That's too tight. Got it now.
Yes.
That unit's a lot heavier than I thought it was. Like it's got some weight on it. And half of that condenser is oil.
Really? That deer was standing right in front of her blind.
Hmm.
Who is that?
Oh, that's Snap-on.
Why is he here?
Toolbox.
Oh.
He said he didn't have enough places to go. He said he might end up coming here.
Oh. So we're gonna go out there and act like we're gonna buy one?
Yeah. Might buy something. You never know.
Oh my God. Here we go. Okay, so we just took the bolts out of the old radiator,
Yeah,
or the old fan. And we're just transferring the bolts over to the new part.
Oh no.
Don't fit.
Yeah, they bent it.
Oh.
Condenser?
Yeah, they bent the pipes.
How bad?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
They just folded it over, didn't they?
Yeah. Don't work.
It didn't fit the box, so they made it fit the box.
I guess.
That's like when you used to build model cars. Had to clip all the tabs and clips off.
These go on the back of the letters, right?
Shit.
Hey, I don't know if you ever done a 22 grill or not, but this thing is 6 pieces. And the letters. So, they're very difficult. Difficult to build also.
Okay, this middle part right here came as a separate piece, and this was all together without this on there. I'm trying to explain this to you because I missed recording it. But you have to cut this bottom piece. You cut it from there to there, and then this one snaps over it. And then here, where I showed before, you have to drill those 2 holes out, or we did on this one. So if you're having trouble getting it on there, it could be because you need to drill those holes out. And here are those pieces. And then the little pieces I actually recorded you doing, so you have to cut those off too.
Well, I think we got everything to put the bumper together with. Go around this way. There.
Hung up on that hook.
have to look at that. See what holds it in. I think it's just push pins. Push pins.
Here's some brackets that I have.
Yeah. Y'all doing all right today? Y'all doing okay today? All right. Yeah, I wish the wind wasn't blowing so bad. It would be super nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We normally don't have this, but well, y'all have a good day.
So what do you want me to try to do? Get the push pins? They look broke off in there.
We'll have to get some more.
Are they just, no, that's a bolt. This one. Oh yeah, we'll have to use different ones. Whatever these will screw in though.
I can't get the stupid thing undone.
You'll
I think it's a lock.
Okay, so now we're just disassembling this wreck bumper and transferring the good parts that we can use over onto the new bumper and replacing the damaged parts that we can't use with new parts.
Taking sensor out. We gotta have the other piece.
It's going to go in that spot. Cane heat. Woo! Oh, loud. Okay, he's just replacing these brackets here. Flip it over.
No,
Upside down the other way.
it's not working just right. Gotta set it down in there.
Good Lord, mine.
broken clip.
Well, I had to take these bolts out because we've already used them.
Get this underneath there. Let's see if we can get this out. I guess them stay in there. Okay.
Let me slide the middle and then slide it up.
Yeah. We'll get it in there one way or another.
Gotta watch that stub. Just pick up. Good. Sweet home Alabama. Dropped it. Ooh. That one fell inside there, I think.
Yeah, those don't feel real good on the hand. Gotta get the other side on.
Don't fell down too far.
Might have to undo that brace to get that on.
I just need to help you hold it right here. You have a good day.
That bolting.
I know.
Yeah, it is. I got one. All right, got that in. We need these braces.
They are right there in that box.
Oh, they're down there. I gotta get them off the old one though.
Bolts off of it.
And the clips.
Yeah, I got sparks flying, so you better be careful. Whoa.
What's that right there?
Stop it.
Yowza! That don't work too good.
No, I told you that was going to be fun.
Those are.
Hey, he had cut this because it was so pushed up. Cut it. Now he's got to get these bolts out.
They're tight.
I'm going around. I can't see. And those on that bracket are Torx 40. And you have to replace the clips because it doesn't come with the clips on the new bracket.
Aftermarket.
Ooh. Good. And if you do have to replace this bumper, the whole assembly like we did, you'll need a lot of space for your new parts because they took up quite a bit of room. I do this one the same way. This video is not sponsored by Milwaukee, but what do you think these rate?
They're good.
Yeah, he uses these a lot.
We gotta put those plastic pieces in. I gotta find those.
side did the ones with the pliers? What side did that one come off of?
Oh, this is the left.
We got this still in there. We gotta get out and put it in.
It's the left. I would assume.
Okay.
I don't know that. You have to look on it to see. These I gotta try to figure out where they went. Because this is the left.
Can't go that way. This should be a flat piece. Flat hole somewhere. No? Oh, the push pins. That's where they go.
All the other strength
Yeah.
for that. That's what it was. I knew they went in there. I just didn't remember how. Let's see.
And he just took his rubber hammer and just hit them in there just a little bit, and they went right in. You know what? What you know?
Nothing.
I said, what did you know?
I don't know a thing.
You noisy.
I know. I'm gonna need it here just a second.
Yeah, nothing's the same size bolt. Very little much, right?
Torx, 10s and 13s and 12s and we got a clip that pulled out. Don't ever hold the clip like this and try to unscrew it. It will hamburger meat your fingers. Ask me how I know.
You get you some pliers.
You think it's loose, but it's not. You're in over there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, hold it.
Yeah.
It goes backwards.
That was those long silver ones, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's a big washer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Those ain't fun to get started, are they? Rubber was out of shape there. Oh, it's big.
I do not remember. How this tank.
It's a lot right here.
The fluid jug. What is that one?
Yeah, I gotta hook all these lines up first. I'm gonna try to get these lines back up in here.
And didn't realize till that night that he's not in his room. Well, they found him outside where they left him, sunburnt.
All right, everyone, that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss part 3 of this video. There was just too much work for this vehicle to finish it in 2 videos. So be sure and subscribe. It's free. Thank you all so much for watching.
There you go again. Hey, welcome back to the shop.
No.